I know that, we can get overwhelmed by the size of our tech stack and like, oh my God, it's another piece of software. But this has been so straightforward to implement, and the team has been incredible. The knowledge base, the videos from Tom, like I told him, I felt like I knew him when I walked up to him. Just great customer service, great access to resources. So it's been awesome.
Stop being a clown. Sign up for FinOptimal. Accruer is going to save you a ton of time. Get all your data out of QuickBooks with Wrangler, and then post those entries through Booker.
I would say start with Accruer. It's a no-brainer. It's going to save you so much time. That's going to get you into FinOptimal. It's going to get you comfortable, and then build from there.
I would say go ahead and just give it a try. Trial it with just one client. Pick someone who has a lot of prepaids and it takes you a lot of time, and go ahead and do it. Time yourself, and then try FinOptimal, just one client, and see how much time it saves. And then have one other person do it and see how fast they pick it up, and then make your decision.
I would say get ready to get disrupted, because doing stuff manually is so slow and so tedious, and there's so many ways to automate it. FinOptimal is a really good way to do that.
You have to try it. It's so easy to use. I mean, seriously. It will solve your deferred revenue issues, as well as it will give you the reporting that you need in the back end for month-end close that you're manually creating outside of QuickBooks.
Reconsider. It honestly is a game changer. Has given us so much time back, and really is an excellent automated solution to handle accruals and a lot of other extra stuff that maybe you're not thinking about. So,
why are you wasting so much time at every month end doing manual accruals, manual prepaids, all these journal entries, calculations, spreadsheets? Accruer will do it all for you in the background and save you hours at month end.